kill you. I ain't got no heart on the feelings, can't feel.
Y'all, so I'm starting the vlog off on a Friday. Yes, I got this wig on. I connect this bitch on, off bitch. But y'all, we lit out the mimosas. Well, I'm really lit out the mimosas. And that's a good a bit of Jameson. Like y'all, it's always, I don't have no kids this weekend. It's my weekend, so shit. Every chance I get to get lit, I get lit, because on my weekends when I have lit, I don't really like to get lit. So yeah, I am 6 minutes down with me talking. Damn, it do say the 26. Like, no, it said the 20. Okay, yeah, they tweaking. Because you been ordered them pants. I'm going to get on fast. I'm coming to y'all fast. No, get my man pants, okay? We're finna go get some clothes. I just took makeup off, y'all. Like, I was up all night. Oh, my God. Bad habits. Watching the John Gacy. You know, he from Chicago, the John Gacy story. Like, he is a sicko. I'm trying to look at. He's a sicko, y'all. I ain't done watching it, but I'm halfway into it. But I'm like, damn, he did all this, and he wanna lie. I like he ain't do all that. These serial killers is crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna go get some clothes. Okay, I'm going for real, y'all. I'm going for real. I'm gonna see y'all. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. I'm gonna see y'all. When we get to the stores, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the stores. Like, I love to live free. I love to live free. These is cute.
Yeah, but them?
No.
No.
These remind me of the Gucci shoes. You know which ones I'm talking about?
Big platform?
Yeah, but without the Gucci sign on it. Yeah. I seen something that I like in there, but it's cold. It's like 60 something. But I seen something that I like. I might come back and get it. I don't know. Yeah, I like those. My camera's dirty as fuck, y'all. I had to wipe that bitch off. How much is those? Let me see.
180.
Damn, you sure? You right. Your shoes be expensive as hell. I ain't even got Mrs. Fields no more, y'all. That's how you know this mall did. Like, Mrs. Fields, that was that shit back then. That shit ain't even there no more. This whole motherfucking material dead as hell. If y'all ain't never had sweet tea, definitely try to ooh-wee. Sweet tea. Ooh-wee. I smell some sweet tea. I meant to say ooh-wee, y'all.
I don't even know. Record me walking in this morning. Record yourself walking.
This shirt cute as fuck. Some jeans and a shirt.
That's a scarf.
Baby, this is a shirt. I think I might get one of these shirts and some jeans. And some heels and that. Here go the shirt, y'all. I like that orange. I'm gonna get the orange one. I like this orange. I'm gonna get a large. I'm gonna get a cream one. That's $50 right there. And some jeans. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna try this on. This motherfucker dress is dirty as hell. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So these are 13. Feel a little tight right here. I need a little bit more room. I'm gonna try the shirt on with it to see how I like it. I ain't wear jeans in a minute. Alright, y'all, so this is a shirt. It's super cute. I like it. I just want some pasties. Alright, y'all, so I wanted to freeze the clip because I wanted y'all to see the before and after of my BBL. So my BBL right here is 2019. on the right side, and on the left side is 2022. Now I like my butt now. I just wish that it wasn't so big because my butt has gotten humongous. Okay, when you gain weight, I'll say when you get fat. When you gain weight, y'all, this is what comes with it. If y'all want me to do a BBL update and let y'all know how it's going, let me know. But I want y'all to see the difference. Look how my butt was. It didn't even look like it. It looked really natural on the right side. That's because I first got done. Then I was looking at like, dang, my butt not even that big. But I mean, I did get my butt done. It fit my shape. But as you gain weight, that butt is gonna gain weight too. And I'm actually happy because once I lose my waist, my ass will be fat still, hopefully a little bit, and it'll probably fit my shape more. But yeah. My booty is humongous now and it's out of control. I just wanted to show y'all how it looks. So if y'all ever get a BBL, just know that if it don't look good the first time or it's not fat enough for y'all, eat, gain weight, and lose and tone up and lose it, y'all gonna get the desired shape that y'all want. Ooh. I got these heels, the ones that I was stopped in the first store, Giovanni Jolie, and let me see, it matched their shirt like perfectly. Like, ooh, I'm finna go take some Instagram pictures. Y'all, so I'm back. I was supposed to come back when we were supposed to do something yesterday, which was Friday, but Friday we went to go get this outfit. This outfit. I got a size 15 in the jeans, and this how the shoes look. They cute. And then that's what they got on. Some Air Force Ones. The pants that I bought him, and the other vlog, and that shirt, and his Gucci belt. And we finna go get the liquor, y'all. We finna go get the liquor. This face though is beat. Y'all hear me? I did this on Facebook Live, and it is beat, child. I'm gonna let the puns be the kids, and then my mama cripped it. And then bump the ends. At first I didn't like to bump the ends, but I'm like, you know what? It's kind of cute. Oh, we got the Jameson right here. But we're finna get something else probably.
Yeah. I got you gotta do about to do the business.
This is cute. I'm gonna see y'all once we get outside. It's 10:30. So
yeah, good time.
We finna get outside right now.
Time.
And it's 80 degrees in Chicago, y'all. Y'all know people's outside earlier too. Wow. They can't wait till the summertime. They can't wait.
Sweaty as hell right now.
Yeah, dirty as hell.
Dirty as hell. Smell like outside all day.
Hell yeah.
Motherfucker, need a motherfucker FaceTime with that shit.
They put a new tat on his face. He put a Thunderbolt. It's cute though. I like it. I told him to fill in that heart because I don't know why he got a broken heart on his face. Tweaking, like, what?
Man, broken hearted, man.
It's always white right here, but whatever. So, my mama like, they need to make gels where it don't turn white. Okay, we out of here. Let's go.
See that shit on the ground. Nigga, we about to go ham. Run that shit or shut it down.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want.
Alright, y'all, so we in Barley. This will not stay down at all. So we just ordered some shots because we didn't even go get no liquor. By the time we got liquor, the store closed.
We got one more spot though. That motherfucker closed too.
But yeah, it's decent in here. They finna close though, so we finna eat here and then we finna go somewhere else. It's like our matching outfits though. I'm finna do that. Tell him we should match
That's
my
what I
outfit.
do with my hands up there.
I ain't even gonna show that.